Two of the most famous formulas in all of math are these: circumference equals 2 pi r and area equals pi r squared, and both of them fall out of the same circle, just looked at in two different ways. Let's start with circumference. Inscribe a regular n-sided polygon inside the circle of radius r. Picture 100 tiny straight sides hugging the curve. Each side of that polygon subtends an angle at the center, and since there are n equal sides sharing the full turn, that angle is 2 pi divided by n. Each side, together with two radius lines, forms an isosceles triangle, and working out that triangle shows each side has length 2r times sine of pi divided by n. So the total perimeter of the polygon is n times that side length, which is n times 2 r times sine of pi divided by n. Now let n grow larger and larger, more and more tiny sides hugging the circle more closely. As n goes to infinity, sine of pi divided by n behaves just like pi divided by n itself. Substituting that in, the perimeter becomes n times 2r times pi divided by n, and the n's cancel, leaving exactly 2 pi r. So in the limit of infinitely many, infinitely small sides, the polygon's perimeter becomes the circle's true circumference, 2 pi r. Now for area, slice the disk into thin concentric rings, like the growth rings inside a tree trunk. Take one ring at radius x with a tiny thickness dx. If you unroll it, it becomes a thin rectangle whose length is the ring's circumference, 2 pi x, and whose width is that small thickness, dx. So the area of that one thin ring is approximately 2 pi x dx. Now stack up every one of those unrolled rings from the very center, x equals 0, out to the edge, x equals r, and adding up infinitely many infinitely thin rings is exactly what integration means. That gives us the area as integral from 0 to r of 2 pi x dx. Carrying out that integral, the antiderivative of 2 pi x is pi x squared, so we evaluate pi x squared from 0 to r, which gives pi r squared minus pi times 0 squared. And that collapses into one clean, beautiful result. The area of the disk is pi r squared. Like and follow for more math tutorials, one idea at a time, nothing rushed.